Have you ever tried rosemary tea? And if so, when did you last enjoy a cup? Did you know that drinking a refreshing cup of rosemary tea in the morning not only energizes your day, but also helps to protect you against various illnesses and diseases? Yep, this underrated tea offers more benefits than you might think, making it a valuable and healing gift to yourself. From strengthening your immune system to improving your skin health and vision, we'll be revealing the miraculous health benefits of incorporating this wondrous aromatic drink into your daily routine. Whether you're a newcomer to the world of herbal teas or a seasoned drinker, the insights you're about to gain in this video will elevate your appreciation for rosemary tea as a powerful way to stay healthy and keep the doctors away. Known for its refreshing taste and delightful aroma, rosemary tea is a top pick among tea enthusiasts worldwide. With zero caffeine, you can relish its goodness anytime without worrying about jitters. Native to South America and the Mediterranean region, rosemary has a history dating back to 5000 BC, when Egyptians first discovered its virtues, and its popularity persisted through Greek and Roman cultures to the present day. But beyond its captivating history, rosemary tea stands out for its unique flavor and medicinal properties. Packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and phytonutrients, this herbal powerhouse offers a multitude of health benefits. So, without further ado, here are the 10 reasons to drink rosemary tea daily. When it comes to your eye health, rosemary tea is truly a game changer. Studies in animals indicate that incorporating rosemary extract with other oral treatments can effectively slow the progression of age-related eye diseases. The credit goes to rosmarinic acid, a key component of rosemary tea, which exerts a potent protective effect by delaying cataract onset and lessening the severity of age-related macular degeneration, or AMD. The anti-inflammatory prowess of rosmarinic acid is demonstrated in its ability to diminish inflammation and redness in the eyes by inhibiting the release of inflammatory chemicals like histamine and prostaglandins. This makes it an effective treatment for eye conditions such as conjunctivitis and dry eye syndrome. Teaming up with rosmarinic acid is carnosic acid, which shields the eyes from oxidative stress, a contributing factor to age-related eye diseases. So indulge in a cup of rosemary tea and relish the benefits of maintaining a clear, healthy vision for years to come. Did you know that daily consumption of rosemary tea can provide you with a refreshing sense of well-being and deliver essential antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds crucial for overall health? Rosemary is particularly rich in rosmarinic acid and carnosic acid, which are two key compounds that contribute to its numerous beneficial properties. These compounds exhibit a variety of positive effects on the body, like reducing inflammation, enhancing immunity, and combating free radicals linked to various chronic diseases. Plus, they contribute to the distinctive flavor and scent of rosemary. When you indulge in a cup of rosemary tea, you're not just enjoying a delicious beverage, but also receiving a healthy dose of these beneficial compounds. If you're still suffering from stomach bloating, abdominal pain, and post-meal diarrhea, a daily cup of rosemary tea might just be what you need. Here is how it works. Not all microbes are bad news. In fact, our guts host trillions of bacteria which are important for our health. Maintaining a healthy gut microbiome is important for efficient digestion, nutrient absorption, and immune system regulation, shielding us from diseases. Therefore, daily consumption of rosemary tea fosters the growth of beneficial bacteria like lactobacillus and bifidobacterium by promoting smooth digestion and preventing digestive issues. Drinking rosemary tea daily offers another amazing health benefit by promoting weight loss. The tea's tiny phytochemicals work their magic by inhibiting the activity of an enzyme called lipase. This enzyme is responsible for breaking down fats into smaller molecules called lipids. With lipase activity suppressed, fats remain intact, leaving you feeling full and satisfied. This means no overeating and no extra pounds gained. Instead, you'll feel lighter, healthier, and happier. So consider adding rosemary tea to your diet before each meal and notice the great positive impact it will have on your weight. According to the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, 1 in 3 Americans has diabetes or prediabetes, with high blood sugar being the primary culprit. Uncontrolled high blood sugar levels can cause significant harm to your body, resulting in complications like blindness, heart disease, kidney failure, nerve damage, and in severe cases, diabetes. For people with diabetes, keeping blood sugar in check is important. That's where rosemary tea comes in, as a daily cup can help regulate blood sugar levels, thanks to carnosic acid and rosmarinic acid. These compounds act like insulin, lowering the risk of diabetes-related complications and making it a game changer for those managing diabetes. To safeguard your liver health, a daily cup of rosemary tea works wonders. The antioxidants in the tea combat free radicals, curbing inflammation and shielding the liver from the impacts of oxidative stress. If care is not taken, oxidative stress and inflammation can wreak havoc on your liver by causing cellular damage, scarring, and even liver failure. That's why rosemary tea offers a potent ally in carnosol, which is a compound that shields liver cells from harm caused by chemical stressors. It actively prevents the formation of harmful compounds like peroxides in the liver, contributing to the maintenance of healthy liver function. For your skin's well-being, consider drinking rosemary tea daily. Rich in antioxidants and antimicrobial phytochemicals, this magical beverage can safeguard and rejuvenate your skin like never before. Whether consumed or applied topically, rosemary tea works wonders in healing bacterial or fungal infections, lesions, acne, and blisters. Antioxidants like rosmarinic acid help in eliminating free radicals responsible for wrinkles, fine lines, dark spots, premature aging, and skin damage. Rosemary tea with its antimicrobial compounds can equally hinder the growth of acne-causing bacteria by reducing inflammation and blemishes, making it a skin-saving ally. Do you know that rosemary tea can protect you from cancer? Yes, you heard that right. Rosemary is packed with a phytochemical called carnosol, which has demonstrated the ability to prevent cancer cell growth, strengthen the immune system, and decrease the production of cancer-related hormones. Plus, the antioxidant properties of rosemary tea can help to neutralize the free radicals that contribute to cancer. Rosemary tea's cancer-fighting prowess is backed by extensive research, revealing promising outcomes. In lab experiments, rosmarinic acid and carnosic acid present in rosemary were demonstrated to slow down the growth of leukemia, breast, and prostate cancer cells. Animal studies also indicate rosemary's potential anti-tumor properties, likely linked to its antioxidant activity. That's why the impact of this drink shouldn't be underestimated. This unassuming tea might just be a lifesaver when it comes to killing cancer for good. If you've had a hectic day and woke up feeling tired, a cup of rosemary tea can work wonders in alleviating fatigue and stress. Thanks to the remarkable compounds, uracilic acid and rosmarinic acid, it brings a refreshing boost to your well-being. The calming effects of these compounds also extend to both the mind and body. Uracilic acid is associated with lowering stress hormones, while rosmarinic acid is known for promoting relaxation and reducing anxiety, making rosemary tea a soothing choice. Their antioxidant properties equally contribute to stress and anxiety reduction. So, if you're feeling overwhelmed, a cup of rosemary tea could be your ticket to relaxation and recharging. It will interest you to know that rosemary offers cognitive benefits, serving as an ideal remedy to potentially slow the progression of Alzheimer's disease, which happens to be a degenerative brain disorder. In one study, participants who inhaled the aroma of rosemary demonstrated enhanced speed and accuracy across various cognitive tasks. Additional research highlights the neuroprotective effects of rosmarinic acid, contributing to the preservation of memory and cognitive function. The miraculous effect of rosemary tea is tied to its neuroprotective properties, preventing the demise of brain cells, which is a key factor in memory loss and decreased brain function. Rosemary also contributes to recovery from conditions like strokes that can harm the brain. Whether you're inhaling its aroma or sipping the tea, incorporating rosemary tea into your routine may contribute to maintaining a healthy and sharp brain for years to come. The process of brewing your own delicious cup of rosemary tea is easy with just a few simple steps. Start by filling a kettle with fresh water and bring it to a rolling boil. Measure out 1 to 2 teaspoons of fresh or dried rosemary leaves and place them in a teapot or cup. Pour the boiling water over the rosemary leaves and let them steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Finally, strain the tea into a cup and sweeten it with honey or lemon if desired. Now, sit back, relax, and savor your fragrant and flavorful rosemary tea. However, it's important to be aware that although rosemary tea provides various health benefits, it may not be suitable for everyone. People allergic to aspirin or salicylate drugs like ibuprofen should steer clear of rosemary tea due to similar compounds. Pregnant women and those with epilepsy or seizures should also avoid it, as it might interact with medications or have a stimulating effect on the brain. When it comes to consumption, there's no set limit for drinking rosemary tea, but experts suggest a 3-month intake followed by a month-long break. While rosemary tea is generally considered safe, consuming large amounts may lead to nausea and vomiting. So for optimal health, aim for 3 to 4 cups daily. And to maximize its therapeutic benefits, endeavor to use fresh rosemary leaves as they contain higher concentrations of its natural oil. But ensure you remove the leaves after preparing the tea because they can be quite bitter. In addition, be sure to consult your doctor before adding rosemary tea into your diet for optimum health benefits. Now tell us, what other health benefits of drinking rosemary tea do you know? Share your thoughts in the comments below. But aside from rosemary tea, have you ever considered the powerful benefits of drinking turmeric water, especially at nighttime? Click on the video showing on your screen right now to discover the untold health benefits of consuming turmeric water before bed. See you there!